Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add country and nationality on United Airlines account. So first we're going to go to the app. Then once you're here, we're going to click on our profile section on the top right corner. Then next we're going to click on About Me section. Then as you can see, there's the nationality and country. So you guys can choose any country as many of them are available. You can also choose your nationality as well. So as you can see, I chose my nationality and country. So next you're going to click on Save. So that's how you register it. It's an easy tutorial. You can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. It's such a helpful traveling app. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.